Good day, my dear students. Today we're gonna learn mathematics together. I am Cinderella Tambua. You can call me Teacher Sandy. I think this is a new day for fun and exciting activities. Together, let's be matibay, matalino, and matgaling. Alright, please prepare your pen and paper and let us explore the fascinating concept of law of tangent. Before we formally start with our lesson, may I request everyone to please stand. Thank you. Prayer leader, please lead the prayer. Amen. You may now be seated. Now let me introduce to you first our classroom rules. Listen carefully, follow direction, and work silently. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a game. Do you like playing games? I think you are. Okay, this game is called the Jumbled Letter Game. And please raise your hand if you want to answer. Are you ready now? So arrange the letters to form the correct words. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Anna? You're correct. This is tangent. Number 2. Yes, Kali? You're correct. This is law of tangent. Thank you so much for your active participation with our game. Based from the activity, what do you think our lesson? Yes? Law of tangent? Alright, you're correct. Any one of you here can define tangent? Yes. Alright, you're correct. In trigonometry, the relationship that defines the tangent is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side of a particular angle of a right triangle. When we say opposite, is that opposite to the angle theta, and adjacent or next to the angle theta. Then hypotenuse is the long one. A right triangle is a three-sided figure with one angle equal to 90 degrees. A 90-degree angle is called a right angle. The sum of the angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The formula to define the tangent of an angle is the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the adjacent side. So now, what is law of tangent? Anyone? In trigonometry, the law of tangent is the statement about a relationship between the tangent of two angles of a triangle. The length of the opposing side, it is referred to as SAS or side angle side. In the figure, A, B, and C are the lengths of the three sides of the triangle, and angle A, B, C are the angles opposite those three respective sides. The law of tangent states that sides A minus B over side A plus B is equal to tangent of angle A minus B over 2 over tangent of angle A plus B over 2. Basically, that is what we call the tangent of law. The ratio of the sum and the difference of any two sides of a triangle is equal to the ratio of the tangent of half the sum and the tangent of half the difference of the angles opposite to the corresponding sides. The rule of tangents can be used to find the unknown parts of a triangle when two sides and an angle or two angles and a side are given. Law of tangent is related to the relationship between the sum and the difference of the side and angle of a triangle. The application of this rule is in the finding remaining parts of the triangle which two sides and one angle or one side and two angles are given. Any question? None? So for us to be enlightened on how do we solve this tangent of law, I have here an example. We have here our first example, which is in triangle ABC. A is 53, B is 29, and angle C is 80 degrees. Find the remaining parts of the triangle. First, use the law of tangent involving sides A and B, then fill in the values that you know and simplify. A minus B over A plus B equals tangent A minus B over 2 over tangent A plus B over 2. It will be 53 minus 29 over 53 plus 29 equals tangent 1/2 quantity A minus B over tangent 1/2 quantity A plus B. It will be 24 over 82. Simplify it. It will be 12 over 41 equals tangent 1/2 A minus B over tangent 1/2 A plus B. Multiply each side by the denominator on the right and we will cancel out 1/2 quantity A plus B. Cancel out, cancel out. Then remain A plus B. The sum of angle A and B equals 180 degrees minus the measure of angle C. So it will be 100 degrees. Replace A plus B with 100 and simplify. We will use a scientific calculator to do the calculation. It will be tangent 1/2 quantity 100 times 12 over 41 equals tangent 1/2 quantity A minus B. And if we simplify it, it will be tangent 50 degrees times 12 over 44 equals tangent 1/2 quantity A minus B. Then 0.3488 equals tangent 1/2 A minus B. Find the value of A minus B. It is 1/2 A minus B equals tangent raised to negative 1, 0.3488. It will be 1/2 A minus B equals 19.229. The difference between angle A and angle B is 34.458 or about 39 degrees. Then, determine A and B by solving the system of equation for A plus B and A minus B. A plus B is equal to 100, A minus B is equal to 38.458. Eliminate one of the variables by adding the two equations together. So 2A equals 138.458. So A is equal to 69.229. Because A is 69.229, B is equal to 100 minus 69.29. The answer is 30.771. Solve for side C by using the law of sine. So C over sine C is equal to A over sine A. So, side C is about 55 units long. Alright, for us to really enlighten how to solve law of tangent, let's have another example. In triangle ABC, A is 20, C is 25, and angle B is 50 degrees. Find the remaining angles of the triangle. So in this problem, since side B is missing, we will use C minus A over C plus A equals tangent C minus A over 2 over tangent C plus A over 2 as the formula. This formula can be used if C is greater than A. So what is the first thing we need to do? Anyone? Yes. Use the law of tangent involving sides C and A. Then fill in the values that you know and simplify. We will substitute 25 minus 20 over 25 plus 20 equals tangent 1/2 C minus A over tangent 1/2 C plus A. It will be 5 over 45. Then 1. We will simplify it again. 1 over 9 equals tangent 1/2 quantity C minus A over tangent 1/2 C plus A. Multiply each side by the denominator on the right. Tangent 1/2 C plus A. We will cancel out this, cancel out. Then determine C plus A. The sum of angles C and A equals 180 degrees. Minus the measurement of angle B. It will be 130 degrees. Replace C plus A with 133 and simplify. This will be tangent 1/2 130 degrees times 1 over 9 equals tangent 1/2 C minus A. Then tangent C 65 degrees times 1 over 9 equals tangent 1 half C minus A. Then, 0.2383 equals tangent 1 half C minus A. So, the difference between angle C and angle A is 28.808. Or then, determine C plus A by solving system of equation for C plus A and C minus A. C plus A equals 130, C minus A equals 27. Eliminate one of the variables by adding the two equations together. 2C equals 157 equals C 157 will be 2 over 2. So it will be 78.5. Because C is 78.5, A equals 130 minus 78.5. The answer is 51.5. Rounding these values to whole numbers, we will get C equals 78 and A equals 52. Alright. Based from our two examples, do you have any questions? None? I think you really pay attention to our discussion earlier. For me to really test that we have understand our discussion earlier, let's have some activities. So, at this moment, let us test all your understanding. Okay. In triangle ABC, B is equal to 32 and C equals 28 and angle A equals 75 degrees. Find the remaining angles of the triangle. You are given 10 minutes to answer. Alright, your time starts now. So, time is up. Now let us answer the problem. So, who can give me the final answer? Anyone? Yes? Yes, Kali. So, let's try to answer to find out if your answers are correct. Okay? In triangle ABC, B equals 32, C equals 28, and angle A equals 75 degrees. Find the remaining angles of the triangle. The formula for this is B minus C equals B plus C equals tangent B minus C over 2 over tangent B plus C over 2. So, we will substitute it. 32 minus 28 over 32 plus 28 equals tangent B minus C over 2 over tangent B plus C over 2. Then, we will simplify it. 32 minus 28 equals 4. 32 plus 28 equals 60. Equals tangent B minus C over 2 over tangent B plus C over 2. Multiply each side by the denominator on the right. So that is tangent B plus C over 2. Then cancel it. Cancel. It will be 40 over 60 equals tangent B minus C over 2. So, we can simplify it again. This 4 is equal to 1 and 60 is equals to 15. So, 1 over 15. Determine B plus C. The sum of angle B plus C is equals to 180 degrees minus the measurement of angle A is equal to 105 degrees. 105 degrees. Replace A plus B with 105 degrees and simplify. We will use scientific calculator to do the calculation. So, tangent 105 over 2 times 1 over 15 equals tangent B minus C over 2. So, it will be 0.0869 over tangent B minus C over 2. Then find the value of B minus C. It will be B minus C over 2 is equal to tangent raised to negative 1, 0.6869. B minus C over 2 equals 4.9665. Then, B minus C is equal to 9.993. The difference between angle B and C is equal to 9.995. Then, determine B and C by solving the system of equations. For B plus C is equal to 105, B minus C is equals to 9.993. Eliminate one of the variables by adding the two equations together. 2B is equal to 114.993. Then, B is equal to 57.465. And C is equals to 47.535. Because C is 47.535, we can rounding these values to whole numbers. We will get B is equal to 57 and C is equal to 47 degrees. 47 degrees. So, all right. So, the answer is correct. The answer is B is equal to 57 and C is equal to 48. So, wow, it's a great job. So, thank you so much for the participation. Let's give a round of applause for everyone. Alright, thank you for your cooperation. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, class, and have a great day. Bye.
Bye, ma.